So today I'm planting out some Gladioli, and this is Gladioli pink and white, and this is a corm or tuber, and I'm going to plant them on the back of the border. These can grow up to 24 inches tall and be good as a border on the around the garden. They can be sown in any soil, doesn't really matter. Do like a partial shade, but we do need to plant our corms quite deep, as it's a quite tall bloom and a nice flower on the top blows about in the wind a bit, so we need to go right deep. So this is our corm. We've got a rounded bit at the bottom with a circular bit and then a pointy bit on top. So the pointy bit goes upwards, and that's where the stem, the stalk, comes through. So we need to plant quite deep. So we need to go about 4 inches deep, and it's best to plant 4 to 7 corms together, and it make a nice display then. So bottom end down. Just check firm that they're okay, and then we can just recover back with our compost, with our soil. So we've got one little group here, four inches deep. So bottom spiky bit down. So these will be flowering July through to September. They can be planted any time after the frost, after March, June. There we go. Just keep checking. We're going to go through. So I've done that one wrong. There we go. So it's going to make a lovely background in our garden. Just checking which way they're going. There we go. So they need a good water and a mulch will do them good. We look forward to growing these corms. You can see spout already coming out on that one. Looking forward to it. There we go. That's our Gladiolis planted. Let me know in the comments if you've grown Gladioli and what varieties have you grown. That'd be great.